first screen record the part of the song you want as your ringtone. Then go on an MP3 converter. I like this one. And this is how to find it on the App Store. Press Album and click Use Screen Recording. Double check that it is on MP3 because this app goes to MP4 and 4 as well. I always forget to do this LOL, but make sure you name it. It can be the name of the song or really anything you can remember it by. Then go on GarageBand. It should already be on your iPhone, but I wasn't on mine, but you can easily find it on App Store. Make a new project and press Create Song. For me, when I got the app, it asked for microphone, but I use this app for ringtones, and you don't need it for this. Press the plus button, then loops. Go on Files, then click on this iPhone, and click MP3 Converter. I made ringtones before, so I have many converted projects, so don't worry about it. You just have to click on it. I was being slow, lol. It may take literally 1 second to come up. Then you got to drag it. Press Loops again, then go on Apple Loops, because it won't let you go on without one ick. Anyone will work. Don't worry, we are muting it, just click on it, then that DJ thing on the top. Now you have to click on the song and press the red button and stop it when the part you wanted to play is finished by pressing it again. I had to mute the song for copyright. Then lightly click on the microphone and press Show in Tracks View. If you don't see the Apple loop, then click the microphone again and click the Apple loop and do the same thing, but this time we don't care when we end it because you don't hear it bust. Let I play for like 3 seconds. Drag it in the right spot. Press the triangle, then click My Songs. This takes a little second, lol. PS, once again, I done ringtones before, so you probably have nothing here. Here I just clicked it to make sure it was the right one. Press and hold it, and click Share, then Ringtone. Make sure you name it. Export. Press OK. Then go on Settings and make sure it's there. Change it from the ringtone you already have and adjust volume if needed. It may seem like it's really low here, but as you can hear, it's not, lol. And you're done, congratulations. If you keep doing it, it will turn into habit. That's have the reason I have like 10 ringtones all home. This helps.